The two Kirchoff's rules are based on law of conservation of two physical quantities. Name the quantities. So Kirchoff's rule based upon conservation of two physical quantities. So Kirchoff's current law. First is Kirchoff's current law, KCL. KCL says ki summation of I equals to 0, that is KCL. KCL says ki summation of current equals to 0. The algebraic sum of current meeting at the junction is equals to 0, that is KCL. Second, conservation of energy, Kirchoff's voltage law. Summation of E plus summation of IR equals to 0. Summation of E plus summation of IR equals to 0. Kirchoff's current law, summation of I equals to 0. Kirchoff's voltage law, summation of E plus summation of IR equals to 0. Second, so find the magnitude and direction of current in 1 ohm resistor. Magnitude and direction of current in 1 ohm resistor. So you have to use Kirchoff's rule to find the magnitude and direction of current. So current flows according to this 9 volt. 9 volt is taken as master cell. 9 volt is taken as master cell, and current flows according to the master cell. Current flows according to the master cell. So current, I amount of current flows through it. As I amount of current flows through it, let this current be I1. And how much current flows through 1 ohm resistor? This is I minus I1. So like at point P, this is point P. So this current is I. This current is I1. So how much current flows through it? We don't know the value. So let the value be X. According to the Kirchoff's first law. According to the Kirchoff's first law, current reaching the junction is positive. Current leaving the junction is negative. So that equals to 0. So I minus I1 equals to X. X value equals to how much? X value is I minus I1. That is the value of X. This is I1. So using Kirchoff's rule in loop 1 and loop 2. In loop 1, so from higher to lower, this is minus 6. From higher to lower, this is minus 6. Current flows in same direction. Minus 1 into I minus I1. And here current flows in opposite direction. Plus 3 into I1. Equals to 0. In case of loop 1. In case of loop 2. In case of loop 2, current flows in opposite direction. So this is plus 2 into I. Plus 2 into I. Higher to lower, this is minus 9. Current flows in opposite direction. Plus 3 into I. So here current flows in opposite direction. 1 into I minus I1 equals to 0. So solve these two equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2 so that we get the value I and I1. So how much current flows through the 1 ohm resistor? So I minus I1 current flows through 1 ohm resistor.